can generate these images in just 2 minutes. You only need ChatGPT and ideogram. Don't worry about the process, I will teach you exactly how to do it. So let's begin. So for this, open any video you like. For example, I like this video, so I will open it and I will copy its link. So copy its link and then go to this website, thumbnail downloader. So I will go to this website and I will download this thumbnail. You can do this also on mobile. So I have downloaded it. Then I will go to ChatGPT and here I will start now. After this window will appear. So in here, paste the image that you just copied. So I will click here and then I write my own prompt, like make some images but change the core image with something else. So it will create image. It will take some time, but the result will be awesome. As you can see, it has created our image. It is so good, you can see it. Now we can use another website, which is ideogram. You can also make images like this. So we will go to ideogram, but first we have to copy a new thumbnail. So I will do this and then this thumbnail will appear. First download it in your folder, then again open ChatGPT and paste here that image. You can write your prompt on your own terms. You can see it has generated the prompt. So what we are going to do is we copy this prompt and then we are applying it on ideogram. So just copy this prompt and then copy it and then go to ideogram. Here generate. It will take some time. As you can see, our image is created and it is very awesome. You can make these thumbnails and then download it in your browser. Now it is an anime, but I want to change it as the original picture. So what I will do, I will change the prompt here. Again I will go to ideogram and paste here the prompt. As you can see, it has created wonderful images. You can download any one of them which you like. It is very awesome image. You can use it in your thumbnails. It is very easy method to make these thumbnails.